Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Licensing Corner, the India's only digital magazine on brand licensing, licensed merchandise and all about generating the substantial revenue medium without investing too much. Today I have back with another unboxing video and I've got another collaboration deal with Adarsh Private Limited. They are into India's first IP that is available on a global platform called Purple Turtle. It's the only IP in India which is of the animated preschool IP that has crossed waters all over the world, and they are doing successfully well. Today they have given me this amazing talking books. It's something very innovative and I'm going to talk to you why this is so innovative. So this talking book, I think it's very innovative concept. As you can read, it's the best investment for your child's future. It comes in 4 different languages: English, Hindi, Marathi and Gujarati. Here you have some of the benefits. So this talking book comes with headphones. This is a stand, a box which is a pen, which is a talking pen, and this comes with a charger. This is a USB charger to charge it. This is another USB charger as a mic that you can use it, and this is the pen. It's a very cute looking pen in the shape of dolphin, and usually you keep it like this on a stand. Switch on and off. Now all you have to do for it to start reading is take a tip of this, the tip, and place it over here.
Hello friends, let's read stories. Andy and his accordion with the general knowledge book. Hello friends, let's start learning nursery rhymes.
So did you hear that? This is how you start reading. See a manual which shows that how do you start reading, and if you want to change what language you want, you can select a particular language, the volume button, and
Papa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for my master, 1 for my dame, 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane.
very innovative. It's fun and your kids will love this because it's all you have to do is just scroll. It will improve their pronunciation because this pen pronounces the words in the exact same manner, the way it's supposed to be. So you don't have to worry if your language is not appropriate, or if you don't know Hindi or English or Marathi for that matter, and you want to teach your kids, this pen will do the job. Thank you so much for being with me, and I hope you loved the content. I hope you're loving the collaborations that I'm bringing on for the innovative products and the merchandise. If you have any comments, please mention in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Licensing Corner, and don't forget to hit the bell button.